Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you an amazing and delicious, easy cauliflower recipe. So let's get started. Here I have a whole cauliflower. Cut it carefully to get few center slices as it is. We want to make around 1/2 inch pieces. You can always use the remaining cauliflower for other recipes, so no need to throw away everything. Now place the cauliflower pieces onto flat sheet. Spread around 1 teaspoon of olive oil on each piece. Now add around 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed cumin or cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now rub all the spices and the oil to the cauliflower. Now gently flip the pieces and add similar spices on this side as well. Now let this cauliflower pieces marinate in the oil and the spices for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now heat a pan and add around 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Now gently place your marinated cauliflower pieces onto the pan. Now add around 1/2 teaspoon of butter on each piece. Now spread the butter gently all over the pan. Let it cook on medium flame. Add around 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Let it sizzle and now cook for 2 minutes on this side. After 2 minutes, gently flip the cauliflower. You can see those lovely brown marks. Now add around 1/4 cup of water. Squeeze around 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon juice. Sprinkle around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now cover this and let it cook for 2 minutes on this side. After about 2 minutes, our cauliflower is well steamed. Gently flip and check if this is cooked well. Now keep it uncovered and let it cook for about a minute to ensure that it's thoroughly cooked. Now take around 1/2 bunch of coriander. I'm using the sticks here as well. Add them to the mixer jar. To this add 1 clove of garlic, 1 green chilli, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now close the lid and grind this into a coarse mixture. Our dip is now ready. It looks and smells great. Now let's plate. Now cauliflower is cooked perfectly and roasted well from both sides. Gently place them on a plate. You can serve the dish with the coriander dip, but before serving, spread the dip on the cauliflower pieces. Believe me, this is a dish which the adults and the kids in the room would love. I hope you like my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.